Canceling NexLev is really easy to do. First thing you need to do is we don't even need to go to their website or anything. Instead, we want to go to this puzzle piece icon in the top right-hand corner of your Chrome browser that you actually have it on. And you just want to click on NexLev YouTube Research and Analytics tool right here. And once you've actually done that, you'll see this pop-up browser, and it'll actually show you all your details as well as your current plan and what subscription pile you're actually on. And if you want to upgrade or cancel your plan, all you need to do is you click on this upgrade plan option, even if you want to cancel it. And basically when you click on this, as you can see currently, I'm just on the free trial, but when you click on this, you can see what subscription plan you're signed up for, and you can simply click on that plan and simply cancel it. But if you're on the free trial, there's no credit card attached, meaning you don't actually have to cancel it. It will just end without billing you. But to actually cancel it, if you're paying for it, you simply want to click on the option you're signed up for, and then you will click on settings, the gear icon, and you can actually cancel it from there. And another way to cancel it is you can actually contact at nexlev.io, shoot them an email just saying, please cancel my subscription in the next 24 hours. And if you are not seeing this option, because they can actually cancel it from their side, their customer support is really active and they will get back to you really quick. So that's the second way I highly recommend.